It's my first vlogging video. I'm back. Yeah. And as I have my ICC exam, my first board exam, so I couldn't make video for every month or every week. So this is my first one vlog, as you know. And yeah, I have never vlogged ever. So so let me know in the comments how do you like about the video, and if you like it really, then put a thumbs up.
Freeze! Freeze! Freeze!
So guys, I am at Eco Park now. I will give you just the view of the pond, a very big pond. So just wait for it. So this is the pond. Take a clear look. There's the Eiffel Tower, a model. You can understand that. And we have a viewpoint there. Guys, I'm just riding a bicycle just now. You can see this. It's a gear 1, and I have made at least 10 rounds in the eco park. So guys, it was a bit tiring work. I just rode around the whole park about suppose 8 kilometers, and now I am feeling very sweaty. And I have to walk suppose 1 kilometer from this distance to get to my mom and dad. You can see me, I'm very tired. This one is the passage to that, means I wanted to say that road from the third gate to the place where that lighting work will start. It will start at 5 to 5:30. In between, I want to just give you a info about this park. It is total about 480 acres, and the pond you could see here is for 240. So you can think how much big it is. was the last part of the video, and you can see that napkin in my head because it is very windy, and I don't know and I can't capture anymore because I have 5% charge. And you can see this, I am using this light. Where is that? Yeah, this one, as I needed some light. So let's hope for best. If you like the video, then put up a thumbs up and give me the review of my video, and if you really like it, then please share it. Thank you.